Welcome. And so this is the first page you are going to see in your Amazon associate journey. This is your first page in making money online, and this is a great place to start. So with Amazon, a lot of people are already doing it and maybe not necessarily realizing it. Have you ever had somebody come to you, in whether it be a mom page or things like that, and ask your opinion? What are your guys' favorite sound machines that are portable? And you have the one that you absolutely love. You share the link to them. But before being an Amazon associate, you wouldn't have gotten paid for that. Now, being an Amazon associate, signing up with this account, you can get commissionable links to make money on those products. It costs no more to the person buying it. It just gives you a cut of the Amazon purchase. And so this is a big deal, being able to make that first step. Like I said, this is the main page where you're going to do it. You're going to read through some of these different things that shows you a little bit about how it works, the marketing program, frequently asked questions if you have concerns or questions. But basically, it's always going to be, do you have a social media platform that you can show people these products on? So in my case, I had a Facebook penny pinchers page. So basically, it's where I disclosed that there were coupons for specific products, and I was bringing people to that. And so I was able to show Amazon that was something I had. You may also have a TikTok, an Instagram, a YouTube, anywhere where you're showing people where those links could be placed. Once Amazon sees that, that is where you would get approval for this program. So this big yellow button right here in the middle, this is the one you're going to want to click. I do not have the ability to sign up again, as I am already an Amazon associate. However, I do have screenshots that I'm going to link below for you to be able to start your journey of making money online using my screenshots to be able to step by step tell you exactly where you need to go, what you need to click, and what they're going to ask. So make sure to grab those screenshots and then go ahead and get started.